Dancing in the rain.
Yeah, I think you could just sell what he did today was $440 up front, and then another
Dancing in the rain. It's raining. Alright. They're waving goodbye. I want to catch a lightning bolt on camera. Since, you know, one nearly hit us. I think we did die. I think we died and came back to life.
It looked like it was pretty close.
It sounded like it was pretty close.
It was close.
It was close. My hand is shaking. The children are getting in the vans. I think I almost pissed my pants.
I don't know.
Do you know what I'm talking
Yeah, Steven and Jeremy went with them. I was almost struck by lightning. See, we almost died today.
I know.
Are you glad we made our
Did I not say
wishes?
that to you?
Aren't you glad
I
we
was
made our
like, "John,
wishes?
This is the day you're gonna die.
We made our wishes.
Yeah.
Look for the video about the wishes. You'll
I told him.
you know what I'm talking about.
Well, all of us.
Oh my goodness. I want to get like one right there. No, it has to be like right there.
Alright, I'm off the car now.
Okay, so I need to go around and lock everything up. Is everything down? Everything, all this stuff is downstairs already?
Yeah.
Most of it.
There hasn't been any thunder or lightning. Now, after that big one, looks like it's dying down.